guys, welcome back to the homework table of Emy Girl.
Hi, Emy Girl. Today I have this worksheet we're gonna do. Reading sequences is gonna be super easy and fun. And then I also have something special for you guys. Emy got her second report card. So I just wanna show you guys her report card. We're gonna go through what she's done great and what she needs to work on so we can work on it through our homework. You ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
High five. All right, Emy Girl, you ready? Before we start with our reading and we figure out the passage, I just wanted to show everybody your report card. So Emery got, this was her first semester and this was your second semester. You got satisfactory, which was the highest grade you can get in all of your categories. Right here you can see satisfactory is the best one. So you did a great job. You got outstanding in your music class, but it says you are a pleasure to have in class. Continue reviewing sight words. So what do you think we need to do?
Do sight words.
We gotta keep practicing our sight words, guys. We gotta keep doing our homework, keep practicing our sight words. So let's read, let's keep learning sight words, and let's do the thing, Emy Girl. Let's do the thing. You wanna start with your name at the top of the paper, please?
Yeah.
And then this is a fun activity. So what we're gonna do, here, sit up, sweetie. You're good. What we're gonna do is we're going to read this passage, and then we have to figure out what happened first, second, third, and then fourth, okay? You wanna move the paper closer to you? Do you need more room? Okay, move it closer to you. They can see, and then we'll move the paper back up. Emery. Thank you, Emery. Good job. Right, right there for the E, like that. Okay. All right. So look, let me move this paper up so they can see. We have to read this passage, and then we have to cut these out. You see, maybe see like a goat with a net, and then a chicken with a net, and a sun with a net, and a ladybug with a net. We have to figure out which one comes first, which one comes next, which one comes third, and which one comes last in this passage, okay?
This is a ram.
That's a ram. That is a ram. What did I say it was? A goat?
A goat.
I'm sorry. That's pretty close, though. I'm silly. All right, so it says directions. Read the story and cut and paste the pictures to show the order of the events, okay? All right, so let's start reading. You read at the top. What does it say?
It says, what? What?
Okay, we got to practice. This is a sight word. What?
Can I
Good job. Get. Good job. With, because what does this make? The TH makes a good job. So what can I get with?
My
Good job. So it's asking a question, right? Because what is this?
A question mark.
It's a question mark. So it says, what can I get with my net? All right, let's read the first sentence.
Can
Good job.
Can
Good job.
I get a net?
No, that's an H. Slow down just a little bit.
Hen.
Good job. Can I get a hen? With. Good job. Way to sound that out.
My net.
Good job. So what is she saying? What is she asking?
What can I get into my net?
Can I get a, what's this word?
Can I get a hen?
With my net. So she actually should get a hen with her net. Okay. So we're gonna put a little word hen right here, so we know that she's trying to get the hen with the net. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's read the second sentence.
No.
No. This is a hard word, but try to read it. Okay. What's the first word look like? This is a yup.
Cannot.
Ah, she did it, guys. Good job. I thought that one was gonna trick you. So if you break this word up, you have cannot. No, I cannot. Get. Good job.
Hen.
Good job.
With my
So she's saying no, right?
Yeah,
she can't
no.
get the hand. Okay, let's go on to the next sentence. We're almost done. We're halfway done.
It's a hand.
I meant to say hen. I'm sorry. Silly daddy.
Ram.
Good job. You thought it was ram, but you knew this was a ram, so you knew the word would be ram. Good job. A ram
Is too big far.
for. Do you see guys when she's sounding them out, she knows because she speaks, right? She knows what the word's supposed to be. So when she goes far, she knows far isn't a word, so for makes sense. So for, good job. That's what happens when you break each letter of the word down and you sound it out. So it says a ram is too big for
my net.
All right, let's put a little note here too, and we're gonna put ram here, okay?
Ram.
So it's saying, nope, the ram's too big. Let's read.
I not
Remember, what's the first word?
cannot
Good job.
get the no.
No, that's a
Yeah.
L
L
O.
O.
What's the word?
Yellow.
Good job. I cannot get the yellow.
Sun.
Good job.
With my net. Everything
job.
is a net.
Everything is the net. So we're gonna put sun here as a little note. 2 more sentences and we're done, and then we get to do the fun part, okay?
Okay.
Let's go, sweetie. Good job. Yep. Sorry, I skipped. Sorry. I.
Will
Yup.
get a bug
I can't get a bug.
with my net.
Okay, so she could get a bug with her net. I'm gonna put bug here as a note. It's okay. And then let's read the last sentence. It says, what's this word you keep messing up? You keep forgetting this word.
What?
Yep. What? Yes, English is a little bit hard and it doesn't always make sense, but
What?
I know it sounds like what, but it's a sight word you have to try to remember. It's what? What? What's this word?
Can you get with my a net?
Good job. What can you get with a net? I can get you with the net.
No.
All right, so we read the passage. Good job. That was fun. Now, what happened first? What happened next? What happened then? Third, and then what happened last?
Wait.
What was the first thing that happened?
And hen. The first one's hen.
The first one's hen? Okay, so let's write hen here, and then we'll cut them out, and we'll paste them. Good job. So the hen happened first, right? Check mark. What happened second?
Ram.
The ram happened next?
Ram happened.
She tried to get the ram with her net? And then what happened third?
Okay. Now we're on this one.
Yep. I'll give you a hint. We have a note right here. Sun. So the sun happened next?
Yeah.
No, she knew. She said, I cannot get the sun with my net.
Because it's
She's
always
smart.
up in the air.
Yeah, it's too up in the sky. Where's the sun? It's not in the air. Where's the sun?
Right there.
No, where's the sun in real life though? It's where?
There.
But what's
the
it in?
Sky.
Past the sky. What's past the sky?
Past the sky?
Yeah, where are the stars? And what? Do you guys know where the stars are?
The night.
The space.
Space.
Silly girl, it's in space. So what happened last? What's the last thing that happened? What's the very last thing that happened?
The net. The bug.
The bug. That's the only thing that's left. So Emma used her smarts and she decided the bug was the last. Thank you for watching our videos. All right, so we did it. High five. Put the cap back on the glue. Give your daddy a high five. And what we learned today was reading and sequence. Sequence means in what order did things happen? Did it happen first? Did it happen second? Or did it happen third? Well, in our case, there was 4 events. So we read, we comprehended what we read, we understand, we learned some new words. The more we read, Emy Girl, the more you're gonna get used to different words, you're gonna remember them, and we're gonna keep having fun doing homework.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Thank you. Please like our videos and subscribe. It helps us with the videos. Thank you.
Bye.
You got glue over your fingers, silly girl?
Yeah, because it was right here. I tried to wipe it off.
That's okay. Bye.
Bye.